Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the double cookies buff in the Butter Bear Adventure event and explain how it works in Heartopia game. Okay, first, what is the double cookies buff? The double cookies buff is a special event item that doubles the number of cookies you earn. Cookies are the main currency for unlocking Butter Bear rewards, and this buff can help you progress much faster. Now, how do you get it, guys? One of the easiest way is through the free daily reward in the exchange store. Simply open up the exchange store and claim your free daily reward here. I've already claimed it, so it doesn't appear. And however, guys, this reward is completely random. You might receive cookies, a remote control dice, or a double cookies buff. There's no guaranteed way to get the buff, so make sure to claim your free reward every day. You can also obtain a double cookies buff from certain event rewards and special event progression milestones. So keep playing the Butter Bear Adventure board and claiming all available rewards. And how does the buff work, guys? Once activated here, if you want to activate it, you can click on this icon, the double cookies icon. Once activated, the double cookies buff doubles the cookies you earn from your board movement. This makes it one of the best items to use when you're planning to spend a lot of dice. For the best value, try saving your double cookies buff until you have multiple dice available. That way, you can maximize the number of cookies earned while the buff is active. Many players combine this buff with smart dice usage and remote control dice to get even more value from their event runs. Okay guys, and that's all about the double cookies buff in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!